In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble your PN532 kit. You need the following components. You need the PN532 board, a USB to TTL cable or a FTDI cable, and these two will cost you less than 8 pounds, and you can buy this from various sites, and I bought this from eBay. And you have to solder just the 4 points. Now when I ordered these components, I received in these packets, and you can see I've got on the left side I've got the USB to TTL cable. On the right side I have got this the PN532. I call this as a red board. Now inside this PN532 pack you get two RFID tags. The blue one is the key fob and the other one is a card, and these two tags are the MiFi Classic 1K. You get three 4-pin connectors and you get 4 cables, and this is how the cable is. The most important thing here is you have to remember these color cables. The red is the 5 volts, the black is the ground, the green is for the transmit, and the white is for the receive. So I have to solder the 4 pins. You don't have to solder the remaining pins because we are using this board in a UART mode which needs only the 4 pins here. And you have to keep in mind the jumper setting. The jumper setting have to be at zeros, and you can see these two switches are pulled down, so down in this direction. And this is the back of the board, and you can see we have already soldered 4 pins, which is ground, the VCC, the transmit, and the receive. The next is this cable. This diagram shows you the connection between the board and the cable, and you have to keep in mind the green, the transmit, will always go to the receive pin, and the white is the receive go to the transmit pin, and the 5 volts on the ground. And whatever is the color, you might get a different colored cable. You keep in mind the transmit of this cable should go to the receive end, and the receive end of the cable go to the transmit end. So once you got the connection and the soldering done, you connect the cable to your PC, and this is the software. And I'm not running the software, I'm just showing you the slides here. So this software can read and write to the tags using the PN532 in a UART mode.